Hello, everyone. Welcome to Better English for You. I'm Emma.
Hello, I'm Jack. Thank you for listening today.
This lesson is for English beginners.
Yes, this lesson is easy and slow.
Please listen carefully and speak with us.
You can pause the video if you need more time.
Speak slowly. Relax.
And remember, mistakes are okay.
Let's begin with greetings. Hello, Jack. How are you today?
Hello, Emma. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm happy to be here today.
That's great.
Now, listener, please repeat after us. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Very good. Nice speaking.
Now let's practice introducing yourself.
My name is Emma. I am learning English.
My name is Jack. I practice English every day.
Now it's your turn. Please say your name.
Great. That sounds good.
You can also say, I am learning English. Now let's talk about daily life. Jack, what do you do every day?
I work during the day. In the evening, I study English.
That's very good. Studying every day is important.
Yes, it helps a lot.
I study English in the morning. I like studying in the morning.
Now, listener, repeat this sentence.
I study English every day.
Good pronunciation. Well done.
Now let's practice some simple verbs. Listen first. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
In the evening, I come home. I relax. I study English.
Now, repeat with us. Excellent. You are doing great. Now let's talk about free time. Jack, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I watch movies. I listen to music. Sometimes I practice English.
That's nice. Free time is good for learning too. I like reading books in my free time.
Now it's your turn. What do you do in your free time?
Good job speaking.
Now let's practice asking questions.
Listen carefully. Where do you live?
I live in the city.
Do you like living in the city?
Yes, I do. I like it.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do. I like learning English.
Now answer the question. Do you like learning English?
Great answer.
Polite English is very important.
Yes, we use polite words every day.
Listen and repeat. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Now repeat.
Very good. Polite English sounds nice.
Learning English can be difficult sometimes.
Yes, but don't give up.
Speak a little every day.
5 minutes is enough.
Listening every day helps too.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Don't be afraid to speak.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep listening and keep speaking English.
This is Better English for You.
We are happy to learn with you.
See you next time. Bye for now.